guys, it's Ariana. If you're new here, welcome. I talk all about stocks, real estate, and just entrepreneurship in general. Today, I'm gonna help my friend Vinny open up his account and buy his first stocks. This has been a highly requested video. I can show you guys exactly what steps you go through with the whole getting started process.
My name is Vicente. I'm just getting into these stocks, and now I have a highly experienced mentor, and so I can't think of what to say.
So Vinny opened his account on his own. We will not be showing the account opening process just because it asked about a lot of personal information. I'm gonna tell him a little about how it was, your experience with it.
Honestly, it was a lot less complicated than I thought it'd be, but you just have to make sure you have a parent with you while doing it, because you're gonna need their information, then they're gonna need your information, and it's also highly recommended if you have a parent that is a citizen, because if not, then they're gonna ask you much more questions, and it takes way longer. If you can have someone that's a citizen that is your parent do it with you.
Yeah, and it doesn't really have to be a parent. It can even be like an older sibling that's over 18, or just any family member or friend that's over 18 that you trust and that trusts you with their info. TD Ameritrade is the only broker I recommend if you are underage, just because it has the least limitations, or how much money you can contribute per year, or whether or not your parents need a brokerage account under the broker to open your joint account. We're gonna be doing this through TD Ameritrade, and yeah, let's get started to buy his first stock.
Yay!
So right now we're gonna fund his first amount of money onto his account. We're gonna transfer from his savings. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show Vinny like a range of stocks. Apple is a really good starter stock. It's around 145. Nike is 157. That one's also really good. Crocs 155. That one's also really good. Snapchat is 79. VTI, this is an ETF, so it's like multiple companies into one. This one basically has like the S&P 500 stocks, all of those 500 top companies. Starbucks is also really good, but honestly it doesn't grow a lot. I would much rather buy something like Crocs.
I do.
Or Apple. What's your favorite companies? Like where do you like buying from?
Well, Target. How's Target?
Target's really good, but it's over 200. It's really good though.
Does it grow a lot?
Yeah, 57% growth. Ooh. But look at Crocs, dude. Look at Crocs.
Holy fuck.
254% growth in 1 year. All stocks are at a really good time to buy.
So, okay, I'm liking Target and Apple because everyone loves Apple. Target's pretty well loved, mostly.
Yes.
So,
yes.
I mean, those two I like so far. But is there something that's more on the cheaper end that is very good?
There's one called NVIDIA. NVIDIA 217. Like the graphics cards for gaming PCs. Mm-hmm. They're all about like tech. This one grows really nice, 71% within 1 year. Oracle, they bought TikTok, 45% growth. It's $88 a share. But honestly, my best advice to you is pick a company that you actually like. There's Visa. Visa's really good too. 222.
Damn it, Ariana. Why are they all above 200 though?
That's like typically the range. American Express is really good too. 69% of growth, $167 per share. We were not able to fund his account because he forgot to confirm his bank account. So he's gonna have to come another day so he can buy his first stock during market closed. Yeah, it'll process.
It's a big financial blow. I'm gonna lose a lot of money, but we'll be okay.
He will do it. He will do it once. Or it'll process once market opens on Monday. He's coming on Sunday, but it's not gonna cause him to lose money. He's just being like that. Okay, I'm showing him right now is like my account. Just going over the TD Ameritrade, like the way TD Ameritrade looks basically. This entire column right here is basically all the stocks that I own. Then right here, QTY, that's the quantity, that's how many shares I own. Asset is just like whatever it is. So equity means it's like actually cash. I didn't use options. Options is borrowed money. So options is a whole nother thing. It's way riskier. It's best to just use your own cash. So yeah, this is just showing that I use my own money to buy these stocks. Price. So this is the current price that each stock is at. So for example, Apple is currently at 146, and that is why the price is at 146. The cost is how much each share, or how much the shares cost altogether. So I bought 4 shares of Apple, and altogether they cost me $534, and market value is essentially what they are worth today. So today those 534 shares are worth 583. Day gain in dollars is how much I've made in dollar form. So for example, if you look at C Limited, it has made me $22. But then I also have other stocks like Costco that have only made me like 12 cents today. But altogether they add up. Day gain percentage, that's basically how much I've gained today in percentage form. So like if you see Ford here, in the dollar form, I've only gained $2, but in the percentage form, I've gained 4%. Because Ford is a much cheaper stock. It's at $13 a share. So if this one is a good one to buy multiple shares of. And then gain dollars, this is just all together ever since I bought my very first stock or very first share of whatever stock is how much I've gained. So like all together I've gained $49 from Apple of my 4 shares. And then obviously gain percentage, same thing but in percentage form. Got it? Okay, and then down here, current value, that's how much my portfolio is worth altogether, and it includes any profits I've made. I've gained $158.
So that's how much you have right now?
So that's how much money I have in my account altogether with profits and everything I've invested. And then this is how much I gained today. So I gained 158. Remember when I opened it, I was at 145? In these few minutes that we've been talking.
What? Really?
It has gained like what, $20 or no, $15 probably, right? So yeah, that's how stocks work. Like every single stock gives you a certain amount and they all add up, and that's how you get your profits. Oh, and then I'll show you this chart too. This one's pretty cool. So this is ever since I first started investing, just how I've tracked. So here it shows I opened my account on...
Did that say 2010? What?
2020. I opened my account on September 14 of 2020. Started with $0, and then on the 29th of 2020, I transferred $150, and then I bought my first share of Apple, and then over time it grew.
You only had one stock?
Yeah, through that, I only had one stock, and then I bought another stock right here on like October 12 through 13, and then I bought 587.
So you bought one for
150, and then I bought another one. It was ARKK. I think it was like a 90 something, and yeah, my account just continued to grow from there. And I'm pretty sure I bought more. I'm not sure what other ones I bought though.
What was your lowest point?
My lowest point? I don't have a low point.
When you're about to like throw it all away and quit stock market.
I haven't gone through that.
What is that then?
What? This isn't anything.
No, left. Okay, too far. There.
Right here?
No.
What?
Right. That's your left.
Oh, right.
Left.
Right.
You went way past it.
Right here?
A little bit. Right. Go right.
Here, just show me.
There.
Right there?
Right here.
What about it?
Were you about to like throw it all away and go bankrupt? Why is there a little dip right there?
It went from... I just dropped $500 right there.
No, $500. Sorry, guys.
No, yeah. But this looks like it was during like a kind of weird... Throughout this beginning of the year, the first months, January... No, I would say like late January, February through mid-March, the market was really red. So, especially the S&P 500. But S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the stock market. It's right here. And here, we'll open it right now too. So, we said it was March and February, right? So, if we go into the chart of March and February of 2021, you see how it dropped here too? So, that means that my account will also drop if S&P 500 is doing bad.
Dang, so their market affects everyone's market.
Well, yeah. If all stocks you have are also in the S&P 500, then it's going to be the same thing for you, because the S&P 500 is like basically someone's portfolio. Like, we'll just hypothetically say, let's say you're copying someone's stocks. I'm basically copying someone's stocks, the S&P 500 stocks. So anything that happens with their portfolio will also happen to my portfolio. Do you get what I mean?
Okay, that's very Scary, but okay.
Yeah, but you don't have to do that. But it's
is it
the
worth
best
it, though?
way. Yeah, because the S&P 500 grows at least 10% every single year. That's the average amount it grows. But so far this year, it has grown 30%. Last year, in 2020, it grew 18%. So it's like your money is going to be compounded by that amount. Okay, so Vinny was finally able to put his money in his account. So we're going to buy that Target. No, we're going to buy it here. I bought a stock during school today. It was kind of cool. It felt cool. No one knew though. I just
It's so scandalous. No one knew.
No one knew I was getting rich.
What stock was it?
It was NVIDIA. You remember the graphics card thing
Yeah.
I told you about? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna buy his stock. So as you can see here, he has $250 in his account. And you wanna go over to search, and you're just gonna, okay, Target, yes? 100% sure Target. Okay, so you
Do you
go
agree
here.
with this?
Yes, I agree with this.
Why would
Already
you
told-
agree with this?
Oh, I got
Please explain
Target.
to the camera.
Because Target is hella raw.
Damn,
I
man.
buy from Target.
Look how much it went
No
down
cap.
since last time.
Bruh.
So I'm buying at the dip.
Yes, I'm
and
telling
then
you,
around
like, it's an
Christmas
amazing
time,
time to
it'll
buy.
go up.
Dude, Christmas time is gonna go crazy.
If I get
Okay,
into
okay.
crippling debt because of you, I'm gonna be a
You'll be okay.
little bit angry.
You'll be okay, but just don't freak out over a $2 loss, okay?
Alright.
But anyways, this is like the place where you can see news and like statistics on it. But you just want to hit buy, and then from there you want to put the quantity. We're gonna buy just one share of it, and then over here where it says order type, you want to change it to a market buy. A market buy, you're gonna buy it at that very instant that you press buy. A limit buy, you're gonna set a limit for it to buy, so like you're gonna set a certain price point for it to buy automatically. And then time and force is day, because you're gonna buy it today, like as soon as the market opens.
What? Okay, so the market.
Right now it's closed, but once it opens, it'll automatically buy for you. So, yeah. And then you just review the order. Ready? You click it. Place order. Oh my gosh!
Fuck. Let's do this shit. Fuck. Ah, shit. Hold on.
Bro, you didn't even click it.
Oh.
No, it didn't.
okay,
You
okay.
just like clicked it too hard.
Oh,
Oh
okay.
my gosh. Wait.
Okay. This is anti.
Let's go!
Oh,
You
we got it.
guys! Let's go! Vinny's first stock.
I feel a little bit taller. I feel like stronger now. I want to go to the gym right now. This is what the stock market does to you, dude. It's crazy.
Okay. Oh my god!
Oh, I'm so fucked. This is so scary. All
Yeah,
right.
so tomorrow in the morning when you go to positions, you'll see your target moving.
That shit's crazy. Okay, but it still shows me all my money because it hasn't bought it yet, technically.
It's always gonna show you your money no matter what.
Even though I just spent it.
Yes, it's always because that's
Oh, because
your
that's like my
entire
account value. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
because
okay.
it's like, okay, the thing about this, it's kind of like a savings account. You deposit money into the savings account, but it continues to grow. So like your money is still there. You know, you'll see it. You'll see it.
It's like your criminal record. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. You want to say something?
No, run that back. That was just do it again. Try again. Talk more natural, girl. Well, that's it, guys.
Thank you guys for watching.
There you go, like that.
It tells me to say like and subscribe.
Because you should. If you like right now, your portfolio will go up by 10%, whatever the hell that means. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you want more content, go watch her channel. And I'm going to go become a millionaire. Thank you. Put that in.
Have a blessed day. Bye.